Hi guys.
I'm Shauni.
And I'm Mondi, and we've been married for 11 lovely years.
Yes, indeed. And today, the topic is, can I fix my broken relationship? Maybe. We're going to talk about it because we're going to do a full 6-week series about the topic.
Yes, but before we get started, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
And we're going to talk about the topic at hand right after this intro.
What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
I'd rather you just scream in my ear. Good God, man. All right, guys, there are 4 stages that people go through when they've been cheated on. And let's start with the first one, okay? Shock. All right? Shock is like, you just found out something traumatic or whatever it was. Your body responded in a way that just shook you to your core. All right? The next is, I want to say either pain or anger. Depending on the person, they can fluctuate. But usually it's anger. People are angry when they find out someone has cheated on them, right?
Yes, yeah.
Right, so they get mad and I just want to.
I will spray paint somebody car and kid car and really bust their windows out.
It's something that you just want to. You need get back, right?
Yeah.
So you're angry.
Yeah.
And each person responds differently to their anger.
Sure.
The next is pain, right?
Yeah.
So some people don't even realize that they're in pain. They just feel something. And it's like, oh, man, I'm hurting inside. But a lot of guys don't want to voice that, right? They don't want to put voice to pain.
Yeah.
And so they act out in different ways.
Yeah.
And then the last one is sadness.
Yeah.
Sadness is like you are not yourself.
Yeah.
You're definitely not doing the things you used to do. You're not talking. You're not as lively as you used to be. You're definitely not talking to that person who cheated on you the way you used to. And it's affecting your whole life. And you may not notice that you're in a state of sadness, but you're sad. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
If you love them or if you cared about them, you're sad.
Absolutely.
And in a bit, guys, we're going to talk about the ways that you can heal a broken bond. And that's if it can be fixed. When you cheat on the person you love, you not only lose their respect, but you also lose the trust and belief that they have in you. These are the 3 foundational things that every healthy relationship needs. You gotta have trust. You gotta have respect. And you gotta believe in the person. If they can't trust you or, trust what you're gonna say and do and you're gonna live up to that, they're always gonna be like side-eyeing you a little bit.
Facts.
And if they don't respect you, you can forget about it.
Forget about it.
And if they don't believe in you or you don't believe in them, then you guys are living a lie.
Facts.
The opposite,
Facts!
it's like you're living a lie.
Facts! I mean, I
love that right there.
I had to be real loud on that. where everybody could hear that. What I think that a lot of cheaters don't understand is that, yes, you can rebuild trust through repetitive, continual, trustworthy acts.
Yes.
But the problem in that is the pain. Right? The pain is the hardest to get past. Yeah. And that takes forgiveness. And somebody might say, yes, I forgive you. But inside, they do not really until they can get past that pain.
And a lot of times, the cheating party, the one who cheated, wants that person to get over that pain quickly.
Yeah.
I said sorry. I apologize.
Yeah.
Get over it.
Yeah.
That kind of thing. Or even, they may not say those words, but they have that kind of mentality. Oh, you gonna bring that up again. You ain't gonna let me live it down. That's because they're still in pain.
Absolutely.
And you guys haven't resolved it.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, coming up, part 2.
Yeah.